Chantel from Wild Berry Quilting, and today I have a box from fatquartershop. It's one I ordered. It was too big apparently to come in the pretty boxes that they normally have, but hopefully you can see this is fatquartershop there. So let's get into it and see what's in here. Oops. I'm kind of wondering how they fit everything that I bought in this box, because at least one of those items is kind of bulky. Sorry if I just knocked that. That was the microphone. Bonking the box. Bunking the box. Oof. Hopefully I didn't just say something untoward for some of our viewers from other countries. I know some words can have meanings in other countries than what they do here. Yes, there must be another box to this coming because I don't see the one item that I ordered. So let's find out. First, this very pretty fabric. I believe it's Ruby Star Society. I saw it advertised on their homepage and I was like, oh, I love that. I've got to get it. It is so pretty. Little apples and flowers and such. Ah, I love that. Haven't quite decided what I'm going to use it for yet, but I got that. And this was on sale. Let me get it out of, you can't really see it that well because of the shine. So let me pull it out. It's a layer cake called Sundance. And it's by Crystal Manning from Moda. And I just thought this was so pretty when I saw it. There's some really pretty fabrics in here. It just seems so sweet and I'm skipping past a bunch of them, but you know, hopefully you can kind of get the idea. That one. And then just the second one's the same as the top. So now the big item in the box, what made it have to travel a different way from the plain boxes. I got 50-50 batting. It's 50% bamboo and 50% cotton. And it's a queen size, so it's a big one, which is 90 by 108 inches. And this is, it's the Happy Cloud brand, which is fatquartershop's house brand. And I've been really happy. I have used their batting before and I was really pleased with it. So that's kind of become my go-to of batting. Oh, I still have a few other things. Okay. So I've got these little charm packs, which is Wild Meadow. I bought 2 of these. I'm pulling out for you so that you can see it. Oh, I'm going to lose the tag. Oh, because I'm pulling it out without the back. That would explain that. Okay. My camera died, but we're back now. So we've got Wild Meadow, and this was just, it's got like, it ranges from these deep purples and goes into these very pretty berry colors and lightens up. And white and yellow. I love this one. This is just such a pretty line. And these were on sale, so I snagged two of those. So figured you kind of need 2 charm packs in order to make something. So, well, in order to make a quilt. So I bought 2 of them. So that'll be fun. And this was just so adorable when I saw it. I was like, oh, the kitties. It's just called Kitty Cats. Totally appropriate name. I know a certain aunt who would love that quilt. And last but not least, well, 2. I ordered if you watched my binding, how to apply binding video, then you saw I do have a antique spool that I use for my binding. But I thought it would be helpful if I had more than 1 spool that I could put binding on, because honestly, there's times when I'm doing more than 1 quilt at a time, and it would just be nice to be able to spool up more binding than that. So that's what this is it's another binding spool, and I thought I'd give this a try. It's got, I don't know how well you can see it, but it's got rainbow glitter in it. It's very pretty. So, and that was by Stitch Supply Company, in case you're wanting to look it up on Fat Quarter Shop. And more alphabetties. These are the blue ones. I have the pink ones and the double ones already, but I figured I'd go ahead and get a 3rd set because I'm always working on multiple projects at once, and it's very helpful to have them all labeled. So I kind of run out of alphabetties just having 2 sets. So I figured I'd pick up the 3rd one. All right. Oh, and that's all of what's in there. There's another box coming. I don't know where that's at. I cut for a second just so I could show you what this is. It is not something that I got from Fat Quarter Shop. This is something that I picked up from Amazon, but it is a condiments container. And the reason why I'm showing that to you is because it is perfect to hold your alphabetties. And that's what I use it for. It's like the perfect size for them. And I seen on someone else's channel where they had a very cool little compartment that they kept theirs in. And when I tried to look for it, I could not find that little container. But I found this instead, and I thought, hey, this is really cute and I like it. And if you sort your alphabetties into alphabetical order and then stick them in here, it's just the right size to where it kind of keeps them in the right order. So I just put the number ones on the bottom since I use those the least, and then I stack them in the correct order in here, which I will do later. And then they're good to go, and you won't lose them. All right, just my little tip at the end of the video. Please remember to like and subscribe if you like my videos. I'll see you later. Bye.